Hi everyone, welcome to Food Menu channel. In this video I am going to show you a delicious chaat, weekend chaat, that is Dahi Batata Puri. Everyone can do this recipe at home. If you have a large family or a small family, take 400 grams of potatoes. This recipe we can prepare for 5 to 6 members. And wash potato, then transfer to cooker, then add 2 cups of water, then cook until small soft. Then take a bowl and add 8 to 9 dates and equal quantity of tamarind, and add 1 cup of hot water. Wash it and soak it in hot water. Keep aside and take another bowl. Add 2 cups of Suji and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix well. No need to add salt. Do not add the salt. Then add hot water. We should mix the dough in hot water only. We need to mix the dough very stiffly. First mix with a spoon. It will be hot. After few seconds it will cool. Then mix with the hand. Dough should be very stiff. Once mixed, close and keep aside for 30 minutes. This suji absorbed a little water later. And take a kadai, add 2 teaspoons of cumin and 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 4 to 5 red chilli and 1 tablespoon of carom seeds, that is ajwain, and fry well and transfer to plate. Then cool down. This is for dahi masala. I already roasted cumin seeds. I don't have roasted cumin powder at home. That's why I roasted 200 grams of cumin. I will use this roasted cumin powder for lot of dishes. Then grind finely. When we are going to grind, it will turn to a little bit hot. That's why cool down. Then store it in a glass bottle. You can use this for a month. And add dahi masala. I fried that one. Very good aromatic is coming. And grind it. Keep aside. Later I will add chaat masala and black salt. Now dates and tamarind soaked softly. Then transfer to directly mixy jar. Then grind it until smooth. Then strain it. Before soaking, remove the seeds, and if you are using seeded dates, if you are using seedless dates, no need to worry. Then add 1 cup of jaggery and 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, then roasted cumin powder and 1/2 cup of water. Then mix it once. Then transfer to stove on medium flame. Cook until thickens. Stir continuously. It will take 5 to 6 minutes time. This should be thick consistency. Then stove off and cool down. For green chutney, take a handful of coriander, fresh coriander, and pudhina, 1 inch of ginger, and 2 green chilli, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Aamchur powder, 2 tablespoons of fried gram, and half teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon for taste only. We need to add white salt. Do not add more. And add 1/4 cup of water or less water. Then grind finely. Now green chutney is ready. I already added Aamchur powder. No need to add lemon. If you are using ice cubes, the green chutney color will not turn to light color. Green color only it will take. Already I ground dahi masala. Now add half teaspoon of black salt and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Then mix it. When you are going to grind, that time also you can add this chaat masala and black salt. Now sweet chutney is cooled down and transfer to a bowl. Consistency should be little bit watery and little bit thickness. Now potatoes also cool down. Now peel it, all the potatoes. Now cut the potato into small pieces. Do not crush the potato. For this recipe, cubes of potato is very tasty than comparing to crushed potato. Then now add required salt and little bit fresh coriander. Chop nicely. Then add it to potato. Then mix the salt and coriander to potato. Now take a bowl and take a half liter of any company curd which is you are using, that company you can use, and add 2 tablespoons of sugar or sugar powder and half teaspoon of chaat masala. Then beat well. Sugar will dissolve when beating. Now I add 5 to 6 ice cubes and keep aside. Everything is ready. Now going to prepare the puri. Already I mixed the dough. Then knead 1 minute and make small, very little small balls. Prepare all balls. Then sprinkle the all-purpose flour. Then mix it. Then take a cloth and roll the puri. Put them on the cloth. Pani puri size puri, we should prepare it. Prepare full or half of the balls, then fry them. I already prepared 50% of balls here. Then high flame, we should fry them. High flame only, it will come like puri, otherwise it will turn to papdi. Add 5 to 6 at a time. Then fry them. Then remove and add second batch. Again 5 to 6 puris. The whole recipe will take 1.5 hour time. We can eat 5 to 6 members this quantity of recipe. Now crispy puris are ready. Everything is ready. Then take a plate. Arrange the puris. Fold the puri in the middle. Then arrange them. Now add sweet chutney. The serving is very important. Then green chutney and potato, dahi masala, sprinkle it. Then sprouted moong, bhoondi, and a sweet curd. Sprinkle dahi masala. This masala you can use for any dahi chats. And again green chutney and sweet chutney. Save, pomegranate, potato, mung bean and pomegranate is very good taste, will give the this dahi batata puri. And add grated beetroot and fresh coriander. Now looking is very nice, taste also very nice. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, please like and give a comment. Thank you for watching.